Hi everyone, before I go back to work next week, I want to declutter a bunch of spots in my house because I am going to be moving in a few weeks, and with going back to work and moving in a few weeks kind of happening around the same time, I want to take this time before I have my schedule filled up to declutter parts of my house. So today we are working on the bathroom. As you can see, it's kind of crazy. And there's a ton of stuff in this shelf too. And then I also want to get a hold of anything under here that needs to be decluttered. I'm planning on being pretty cutthroat. I know at this point what works for me skin-wise, what I like. I'm not a huge masker and I have quite a bit of masks in here. And just I need to be pretty cutthroat and get rid of a lot. But yeah, I'm going to definitely tackle the bathroom today, possibly a couple of drawers in my room, but yeah, this is mainly what we're going to be working on today. I am going to start by taking everything out of the cabinet up there, drawers. I'm just going to start by taking literally everything out of this space. Okay, so what I plan to do with this giant pile of everything that was in my bathroom is I want to first divide everything up by category. So I want to put all the skincare together, the hair care together, just like other toiletries like toothpaste and contact solution stuff. So I just want to group everything together by category to assess what I want to keep or not keep. Alright, I have skincare here, hair care products here, body products over here. I do have some hand soaps. You can't really see. Hand soaps here I have. And then I just have some, like, I don't know, self-tanning stuff. This box is kind of miscellaneous, but like definitely toiletries and things that I need, you know, like contact stuff, things like that. And then this small section is my brother's things. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I don't really know how to tackle this properly because there's a lot of products in here that I don't use, but I just keep thinking about how wasteful it is. But it's too late, that it's already, you know, been wasted. So I just have to really go in. I just have to really go in and be cutthroat and get rid of the products I'm not using. I'm gonna start by getting rid of all of the Curology stuff. Curology keeps sending me products and I keep not using them. Nothing against the brand. I just don't, I don't know, just am not using Curology. So I am going to be getting rid of the Curology stuff. Some of the stuff is like open, some of it's not. I tried giving it to my sister and she like kind of half used it. So getting rid of the Curology things. This Clinique ID is really gross and just old, so I'm getting rid of that. Salicylic acid mask from The Ordinary, getting rid of that, it's gross. This Ordinary cleanser and this Mario Badescu cleanser is basically empty, going to get rid of that. I never use this Boschka mask, I never use it. I never use this Glow Recipe sleeping mask. I don't really like the smell of it. I don't use this Mamond, what's this? Azelaic acid, basically done. These Glossier masks are really old. I used to use them pretty often, but not so much anymore. and I'm just gonna chuck them because they're pretty old. They're kind of gross now. Fountain of Truth Honey Glow Mask. I got this in like a little 2-pack with a hand cream, and I really just wanted the hand cream, and the whole pack was on sale. So I don't ever use this honey glow mask. I tried it a couple times. I don't really care about it. This e.l.f. super mask, I've only used it a couple times. It's pretty new. It was like a little freebie, so I think I'm gonna keep that just to have. I bet my sister will like to use it. Keeping all of my Rael skincare, obviously. So this is what I have trouble with. This Rules of Mastic line. I was using it for a few weeks, really enjoying it, and then I started using my Rael stuff. So it is a complete skincare line. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep this skincare line. I do quite like it. I'm just going to keep it just to have, especially because I'm getting rid of so many other skincare products. This was a freebie at Ulta. I'm going to keep it. It's pretty nice. I really like this Tula exfoliating treatment mask, so I will keep that. I really like my Ordinary moisturizer. This pore cleansing mask. I'm gonna keep this. I got it in a FabFitFun box and it's quite good. I have a couple of makeup removers and I'm gonna keep them all because you can never have too many makeup removers. I'm going to keep this Clinique anti-blemish solutions because we don't have like a acne treatment in the bathroom, so that'll be good. This Juice Beauty exfoliating peel spray, I'm going to get rid of it. I don't really think it does much, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Trader Joe's blueberry acai face scrub, I'm getting rid of it. I didn't think it was very good. Fab First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Firm Sleeping Cream, I'm going to get rid of this. Nobody uses it. Naturally Good For You Balance and Boost Post-Workout Mineral Beauty Balm. I want to use this more. So I'm going to keep it. For some reason, I have 2 of the Ordinary peeling solutions. I'm going to keep both because me and my sister, we do use it pretty regularly. And also going to keep the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. Also going to keep the Ordinary Glycolic Acid. And these cleansing tissues, we'll keep them. They're handy to have. What is this? Facial radiance pads. Are these are dry, so we will be chucking these. This Aztec Indian Healing Clay. This is super old. I don't know if this stuff expires. Oh, it does expire. Perfect. Getting rid of it. Expired back in 2019. That's good to know. Okay, so that was a pretty good declutter. I got rid of half of my products, which is really awesome. Next, moving on to shower body care type stuff. I'm going to be keeping the Glossier Body Hero, which is nice. I'm going to be chucking this. This was like a little freebie, Vanilla Blossom pH Balanced Gentle Wash. I'm just gonna get rid of it. I don't want it. Soap and Glory, the breakfast scrub, is one of my favorite body scrubs. It's seriously so good, so I'm going to be keeping it because it's just a backup. So I love Dr. Bronner so much. I have a huge bottle of like the citrus one, and then I have the peppermint scent, but I'm pretty low on both of these. This is the hemp lavender and the hemp almond. So probably gonna be pretty weird, but I am going to just put all of the almond that I have left in the lavender bottle so I can condense. Filled up over halfway when I condense them, so that's pretty good. So we'll just condense that. Probably gonna mix this in with some water and like use it to clean something later. So I'll just keep that until I'm like completely out of it. Honest Beauty soap and body wash, just a gentle basic body wash, and it hasn't been opened, so we'll be keeping that. And this Billie Shave Cream. The Billie Shave Cream is quite nice. I do prefer the Athena razor, but I will just keep the shave cream because, you know, just to have handy. I also think my brother, you know, needs to use something like that. So that was pretty good. There wasn't that much in that category anyway. Over here, I also do have hand soap, but I think I'm going to keep all of the hand soap because, you know, we're a house with 3 bathrooms, so one of the bathrooms could use it. Moving on to the hair stuff, which is going to be probably a little bit easier to do. Okay, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to go get all of the hair stuff from in my room and bring it out here so I can just declutter all of the hair stuff all at once. Literally, for someone who says they don't care about hair, I have so many hair products. What the heck? All right, all of the products that I don't want or I'm not keeping are gonna go in this box. The Redken products. The Redken Frizz Dismiss is empty, so I'm going to be throwing away that. Redken High Rise Volume. I'll see if my mom wants to use this, but I don't want it. I'm not gonna be keeping it. The Dry Bar Pep Rally. I actually have 2 of these because I got sent 2 FabFitFun boxes and they had like some of the same products. They had some duplicates. I actually really don't like this product. I have used some of the one bottle and then this bottle is completely unopened. So I'm probably going to like put together a box of things, like unopened things I'm gonna donate, and this will be in one of the boxes. So getting rid of those, I don't like them. I'm actually gonna put aside both of these so that they can be donated because both of them haven't been opened. So we'll put those aside. I forgot to cancel my Functions of Beauty order, so I have 2 full-size bottles of these that have not been opened that I really don't want. Like, I don't want to continue using Functions of Beauty. So I'm going to put these aside as well, and hopefully those can get donated. Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. I've only used this a couple of times. I really hate how the Dry Bar products smell, so I'm definitely not going to be keeping, well, this dry shampoo is not bad, but there's not that much left in it. I'm going to get rid of this, but I almost wonder because it's in a spray bottle, because it's like in an aerosol and there's like literally all the product basically left in it, I wonder if I can donate it. So I'm gonna put that aside. These bottles from Functions of Beauty, I'm not going to be finishing them. I'm going to throw them away. Living Proof Humidity Shield, I'm going to donate. I don't think I've ever used that. These sea salt sprays I'm going to get rid of. I wonder if I can take the label off of this because honestly this spray bottle is kind of nice and it's glass. What is this? Apple cider vinegar leave-in mist. I don't want it. I'm not using it. Those are like several years old. This is like several years old. So let's chuck it. Dry wax. Again, this is pretty full. I wonder if donation places will take like semi-used aerosol bottles. So let's see. Living Proof Nourishing Oil. I am going to get rid of this. I wasn't using it, but my mom might like it. I'm gonna put this aside for her. She might like it. I used to really like the Moroccan oil treatment. I wonder if I would still like it now, even though I'm going through like my hair journey. But I am gonna get rid of the 2 smaller bottles because these are basically out. I think I was using these for like traveling, like to put more product in for traveling. And I'm just gonna keep the 1 bigger bottle. This dry shampoo is not a real dry shampoo and I hated it, so I'm throwing it away. Living Proof Flex Hairspray. This honestly was kind of nice. I could see my mom liking this, so we're gonna put that aside for her. I love my dry shampoos, so keeping my dry shampoos. We love them here. I really love the IGK products. Good Behavior smells so good. It smells like vanilla, like it just smells so good. I'm gonna keep them even though I'm not heat styling my hair, but this is something that my mom probably would enjoy and I'm just going to keep it in my collection because I do like to heat style my hair. I'm just really not doing it right now. So hair brushes and stuff. I did recently buy like a whole 3-pack of these pattern brushes for my hair. So excited about those. I am going to keep all of my brushes, I think. Yeah. Probably, you know what? Let's donate this one. Let's donate that little baby comb. I don't think I've ever ran that through my hair. I'm keeping my newer curly girl hair product. I'm keeping these. This is the stuff that I'm keeping so far. My mom and I love the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. It's like the best blow dry spray ever, but I'm not currently blow drying my hair, so I'm going to give her this bottle that I have. I recently did get the Trader Joe's hair serum. Low-key, this stuff is kind of nice, but I was using it before I transitioned to different curly hair products. So I think I am gonna keep this. I think this is something that I wanna just keep on hand because I did like it. So my camera ended up dying, so I am just going to be using my phone real quick to show you guys what I am keeping and what I am donating and then what I'm throwing away. So I ended up keeping all of my bedhead products because I do really like bedhead, and I think that even with my hair transition, these products I can still use. And then the only thing that I added to the donate pile was my INH, insert name here, hair piece. Like, it was like a ponytail hair piece that they had sent me, and my hair was like honestly really way too thin for it. It was so heavy on my head and I didn't have enough hair to like keep it up, so I'm just gonna donate it. It's in pretty good condition and I honestly feel like someone would really enjoy a piece like that. And then these are just the things so far that I am going to be getting rid of in this bag and this box. Everything that I want in the mirror cabinet is in this box, and I'm just going to put it all away. All right, you guys, I am done with my bathroom declutter. How much better does this freaking look? So this is what the underneath looks like. I have a bunch of backups of products over here and just things that I don't use all the time, but I definitely need to keep. I have a lot of my hair tools over here. They're all from Bedhead. They're all like hair curling tools, and I really don't use those often, but they're, you know, I use them sometimes. I have some of the hand soaps, and then I have 2 rolls of toilet paper. And then this side was just boring. It's just of like cleaning supplies. But, you know, look how clear that is. Pretty tidy. And then coming up over here, this drawer is just, you know, some miscellaneous stuff. And then this drawer over here just has also some miscellaneous, but yeah, just some hair tools, stuff like that, just random things. This is what the countertop looks like, and then the cabinet is really nice. So Max's stuff is up here. He doesn't have many things. Skincare over here, hair products over here, some additional skincare that didn't fit up here, and then closing it, not really anything else to put on these shelves on the side, but that's fine. It's nice to have things cleared up. This toothbrush over here is Justin's. It doesn't go in the mix because, you know, we wouldn't know whose toothbrush is whose. And then this is my contact stuff, so just easy to have. And then my Rael skincare, which is the skincare that I am currently using. And then over here are all the products that I am getting rid of after this declutter. So I will go through and empty out any remaining product and then like prepare them to be recycled. So that'll be taken care of. And then this stuff over here is stuff that I am going to be donating. So yep, that's all good. And then this was all the hair stuff that I'm getting rid of. So I think that it was a pretty dang good declutter. So here's a final look of the bathroom completed. I think I did a pretty good job making sure I decluttered all the things that needed to be decluttered. Everything's looking pretty good. But yeah, that is it from me today. Thank you guys for hanging out with me while I decluttered my bathroom. I will definitely be doing more declutterings this week. I don't think I'm gonna tackle my makeup collection yet. That's probably something I'm gonna do closer to the actual move, but there's definitely parts of my room that I still need to really declutter, and I'm definitely gonna do a big wardrobe declutter, like super duper cutthroat with my clothes. But anyway, that is it. Thank you guys so much. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.